in the world right now. Guys, if you have all the time, all the money, all the freedom right now in your life, what do you want to do with your life right now? Okay, if everyone think about it, all the money in the world, all the time in the world, uh, what do you want to do with your life right now? Okay, just now there were just like 1 hour ago, there were 4 bankers in my house. Okay, and we are talking about money. Okay, talking about money. We are talking about how I make my money, and also like what is money for? Okay, at the end of the day, what is money for? Okay, I don't know why 4 bankers listening to me. Okay, but basically what I want to share with you all is everyone here will die here with zero. Type yes if everybody's base answer is the same. Agree or not? Type yes if you agree. Everyone here will die here with zero. No one will leave here with anything. Oh, zero, right? Okay. So it's really what we do before we die that matters. Yes or no? Okay. And so money is a tool. Money is a form of exchange, a medium of exchange. Okay. Money is stored time. Okay. Money is stored time. You need to store the time in a certain way. Okay. So a lot of people are exchanging your time for money. That yes, if you understand. If you are exchanging your time in the office for money, okay, exchanging time for money. Okay. So that's one way of making money. Exchange your time for money, whether you're driving a Grab, whether you are working in the office, you're exchanging your time for money. Another way of looking at money is to use money. Money is stock time, right? That's what I mentioned, right? Stock time. Use stock time, use money to make money. That yes, if you understand. If you don't have money, then in the beginning, you need to work for money. You need to exchange your time for money. Yes or no? But once you have money, it is stock time. So then you use stock time to make more money. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand the principle. So money is a tool. Okay, just like a drill is a tool. And so because money is a tool, you need to learn how to use this money well. That yes, if you understand. If your strategy of making money, use stock time, is to keep the money in the bank, and that is your strategy for the rest of your life, that can be a strategy, okay, but may not be the best strategy. Is there a better strategy than that? Okay, so money is a tool. I will share with you, money is a tool. Next thing, you need to learn how to use this tool. Okay, if you learn how to use this tool, then this stock time, this money become your servant. That yes, if you understand, you can learn how to use money to create more money. Okay, but if you don't know how to operate this tool, then money can also control you. What do you mean by money controlling you? Because after a certain period, you accumulate your liability, your debts. Yes or no? You have to pay for your mortgage, you have to pay for your car installment and things like that. And then there will come a time when you have no choice, when you have to do something just to make money. Then money becomes something that control you. Type yes if you understand. So the 3 things I'll share with you, number 1 is money is a tool. Okay. Number 2, I'll share with you is learn how to use this tool. Okay. Third thing I want to share with you is if you don't learn how to use this tool well, it can serve you. Don't know how to use this tool well, then it can control you. Okay. What we want in life, just how I was sharing with the people, right? It's not just about making the next zero in your account. Okay, making you have a million, make 2 million, you have 2 million, make 5 million. Before I say it's not just about that. It is about, in Chinese, they say 花不完的钱. Money that you cannot finish spending. That yes, if you want something like that. So there are people that are very rich, yes or no? Very, very rich, very wealthy, millions in the bank account. But they every day just continue to find ways to make more money. So what happened? Money still control them. That yes, if you agree, because they have to, they greed my crowd, they have to make more, 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 more. So money control them. Okay? But it can be, it's possible for a person that is less rich to be totally not controlled by money. How? How? The person has endless amount of money that he cannot spend finish. I'm not saying, guys, that you need to have 10 Lamborghini, stay in good class bungalow. Do you follow what I'm saying? In fact, if you stay in, you drive a Lamborghini, I think this is not my life. Yes or no? Everywhere you drive, people look at you. This guy very haolian. You horn people, people complain about this guy, not a nice guy. Yes or no? Your standard of driving a nice car become very high. I don't want to be like that. How many same as me, like me or someone like that? Oh, you drive a branded car and you're like that. Okay, I don't want that. I just want to drive something that I like to drive. Yes or no? Same thing for house. You know, you stay in a good class bungalow. I've been like last week, okay. Not that it's no good. It's not sour grapes also. It's really got very big space. So how to say, got a lot of dead space. Yes or no? People don't walk there, one, a lot of empty space. And then the relationship is not as close because there are very few people living down there. What you want is, let's say, a dining table, enough so that everybody have a closer relationship. Yes, if you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so I want a house that is like that, like got the family warmth rather than just a big, very big house where my children is always in the room. No point, yes or no? Okay, so that is a ideal, house, an ideal car, an ideal amount of money, right? That everybody should have. Yes or no? Okay, so coming back again, Colin, why are you talking about all this? Because we must begin with the end in mind, yes or no? Because right now we are talking about making money and making more money and things like that, but make for what? Do you all follow what I'm saying? Like, yes, if you understand. I said, Colin, don't talk so many things, just tell me how to make money. Because if you don't get the first part right, even you know how to make money, you are still a slave to money. Agree or not? Type yes if you agree. So I want to make sure that what you want is not just having more money or having the more zero in the bank account. What you want is the thing of having no fear of no money. How many want to have that? That means you have zero fear. You are totally bold with how you spend money. You don't need to look at the bank account when you go to holiday. You don't need to check how much you go to restaurant, what's the price for your food before you order. I want to order anything I want. Okay. When I go grocery and check price, yes or no? I want to be like that. I don't care how much in the bank, but I want to be like that. Okay. So that is what I want to share with you all. Okay. Hopefully, I know this is nothing to do with make money lah, but a lot of people, even though they know how to make money, they still get enslaved. Then it's a pity. Okay, how many agree that if you have money, the purpose of having money is not just to hoard, that's not to get everything mine. Because if I don't take what's mine, then you will take mine. You know, there are people like that. Like me, you know of people like that. Okay, money is mine. I better take first because everybody, if I don't take, everyone will take mine. Yes or no? Okay. That's one way of looking at money. But another way of looking at money is to understand that you are blessed, you have money because you are user of the money. You use it to bless others. Like, yes, if you understand. I want to be so rich that at any point of time, I want to give any amount of money I can. Okay, like now Chinese New Year coming, right? I can be the Santa Claus, like some people call me Cai because everywhere I go, I give money, right? So, but I want to have the ability that everywhere I go, okay, whether people changing my tire or whatever, right? I have the ability to give. That's what I want to do, okay? And I don't need to look at my bank account before I do that. That's what I want to do. Okay, so coming back again, okay, how do one become, like for me, is trading, investing, and doing this for trading, investing for more than 30 years. I was stockbroker for 11 years. I started doing this, what I'm doing right now, for 17 years. This is my 17th year. Okay, later I'll share with you why I do this, okay? But I started out as a personal trader and then later become a reminder. So let me ask you a question. How do you become a good trader or a good investor? Type in the chat box. How do one become a trader or a good investor? How do you become a good trader or investor? No idea. That's why you are here, right? Okay. Let me get the answer. The answer is very simple. The answer is to
everyone needs a coach. It doesn't matter whether you're a basketball player, a tennis player, a gymnast, or a bridge player.
Okay, so I give you the shortcut first. Okay, type shortcut if you want to know the shortcut. Okay, is it everything got shortcut one? Yes or no? Whether it's swimming, whether it's learning ChatGPT or learning rollerblade or trading, got shortcut one. Okay, the shortcut right to this game called trading or investing is to find someone who have done it before and follow exactly what this person do. That means get a coach to coach you. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. The challenge is now in internet got a lot of coaches, but we'll talk about the coach challenge later. Okay, but I'll talk about the advantage of getting a coach. The advantage of getting a coach, number one, is about not just getting new information. Yes or no? Because if you type in Google or YouTube how to trade, there are thousands and thousands of videos teaching how to trade. Yes or no? But a good coach is able to save you time. Time, if you understand. He's able to save you time by telling you that, hey, Michelle or Reagan, now you don't need to watch this 1,000 video, just focus on these 3 things or 5 things. But you need to repeat over and over again until you know it very well, until you become internalized, then you become successful. So it is able to save you time. The second one is very important, which a lot of people don't talk about it, is a good coach is able to keep you safe. That means you don't lose all the money in your bank account or lose all the money in your trading account. It's able to keep you safe. Okay, by keeping you safe, by saving you money, at the end of the day, a good coach is able to get you the results that you want. Okay, so that is the reason why we get a coach. Question, Colin, cannot learn from internet, man? Cannot go and Google and find information? Cannot do that, man? Can. But sometimes to do that, it takes even longer and costs you even more money because you don't know which one is correct, which one is wrong. So you test this, test that, this, that. At the end of the day, you'll be back to square one after a few years. Type yes if you understand. So if somebody that is legit and real and you follow that person, right? Let's say for 1 year, you should be able to get results. That result, if you understand, you will get results and say, hey, this person I can follow. This person I can follow. And from now onwards, I'll continue to follow this person. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, then you don't need to keep walking the big round. You know how to do the shortcut. Okay? One of the characteristics of a coach is what? The coach, whether example swimming, the coach cannot just stand on the what platform and tell the people learning swimming to yeah, just swim just move your hand like that. You follow what I'm saying or not? Cannot. The coach must jump into the pool and demonstrate how to swim. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, type yes if you understand. You must demonstrate how to swim. Yes or no? But if let's say he's learning golf, also the same thing. Trading, also the same thing. But not only one time. If you demonstrate one time, maybe it's theory lah. He must demonstrate his skill often. Do you follow what I'm saying? And you see how the coach swim and you practice what he do, over time, it become a life skill. Type in life skill if you understand. So trading is nothing about lucky. Okay? It's nothing to do with luck. Okay, it is a life skill. It is a life skill. What do you mean by a life skill? Life skill is something that is predictable. You see, mean trading, I talk about risk? No, but it's only risky when you think of trading as a gambler. Do you follow what I'm saying? You go to the casino and gamble, then it is risky. That risk, if you understand, because there's odds, you need to calculate the odds and things like that. That's risky. Yes or no? But if you are someone that is not a gambler, but instead you are a casino operator, you open casino, you calculate all the odds, you calculate all the returns, and you know you're running a business, you are a casino owner, then you're no longer a gambler. That yes, if you understand. So a good trader will view themselves as a casino owner rather than a gambler. By the way, I'm not encouraging gambling, okay? I'm just saying how you think about trading. I don't gamble, okay? But this is what we do, okay? So trading is a life skill. There are advantage of it being a life skill. One of the advantage of it being a life skill is, let's say example, you learn swimming, okay, and you want to use it as in the future a life skill. Maybe you can teach swimming lah, yes or no? Or you learn driving, maybe later you can become a Grab driver, yes or no? Okay, but as you grow older and grow older, because you're exchanging time for money, remember we talked about time for money? The returns get lesser and lesser because you older, you got less time, you got less energy, you cannot drive as much Grab as possible, as long as possible. You cannot be stay in the pool so long. Like, you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. But if you are not using time for money concept, you're using stop time for money. That means you're using money to make money. Then it's actually just a click of the button. You use money to make money. Then you can have leverage, whether you are 50 years old, 60 years old, 70 years old. So long as you can still make a good decision, you can trade. Do you all agree? That yes, if you agree. So trading is a skill that, in fact, as you grow older, you are wiser, more experienced, you have bigger capital, it gets easier. It does not get harder. Yes or no? But if you drive Grab at 40 years old or 30 years old, compared to drive Grab at 70 years old, got different now. Very tired after 70 years old. Yes or no? Okay, so that is one of the advantage of trading. Okay, how many here wants to eventually use trading as a form of retirement? Like me, if you want to do that, that means, Colin, now I'm working, my boss give me a lot of pressure, but one day I want to have enough stop time that I can say goodbye to my boss and then I can trade for a living. Yes or no? Okay, then hopefully I can also increase my capital, so become easier and easier. Yes or no? Because nowadays, right, there is no more job security. Why do you think there's no more job security? Last time maybe have because you are so hard to replace. But nowadays with AI, you think it's easy to replace you? Yes, and then with people who have more energy, more time staying late in the office, do you think they can replace you? Yes, do you follow what I'm saying? So it's easier and easier to replace a person. Okay, but if you use trading, so long as you have capital, you make the right decision, you are harder, you have an edge over others. Okay. So today I want to attempt to be your coach for the next 1 hour. Okay, to talk about a few things. First thing is what to buy. Okay, what to buy. People buy the wrong instrument, buy the wrong things. Okay, buy the wrong kind of stocks. Second one is when to buy. They get it at the wrong time. Okay, when to get in. And third one is how much, a lot of people don't talk about it, is how to manage your risks. So it's not just about make the most money, but make the most money with the least possible risk. Like, yes, if you understand. Okay? You can take a lot of risk and make a lot of money, but very risky because if you make the next wrong decision, everything can go to zero. Yes or not? Okay, that's how to manage your risk. Okay, so what to buy? What to buy, right? There are two schools of thought. First school is what we call FA, or fundamental analysis. basically looking for value. Okay, basically what they want to look for is they are looking for cheap stocks. Let's say example right now the stocks, they do some calculation whether using the balance sheet or they're using the asset liability. Basically, all these are numbers. They are numbers of how well the company is doing, how much money the company is making, how much asset they have, how much capital they have, how much money they own. And then from there, they can calculate what the share price should be worth per share. Type yes if you understand. There's a theoretical share price. That's how the guys were from UOB. You can actually calculate UOB theoretical share price. Okay, based on how much deposit they have, how much income they make every year, and how much salary they pay. So from there, you can calculate theoretical value. Yes or no? Okay? There's one way, looking for value. Then there's another way. They look at TA, technical analysis. So TA, they don't look for value. They look for price. Okay, that means they put all the numbers of how much company making aside. They just look for the share price and study the share price. Is the share price going up? Is the share price going down? Historically, when the share price do this, in the last 1 year, if the share price do this, what's going to happen next? Type yes if you understand. So what they do is they have this assumption. The assumption is everything that is in the market is priced in. Everything in the market, whether it's insider, whether it's people buying, people selling, at the end of the day, that is the conclusion. The price is the conclusion. Every time conclusion. The share price is actually the conclusion of everyone. Whether people are bullish, they think that it will go up. People think it's bearish, they think it will go down. At the end of the day, at the end of every day, how much is the share worth? That will be the conclusion of the market. So we study that conclusion. So we look at price. Okay, my point is, friends, using FA and TA is not enough. So the question we want to ask ourselves is, let's say right now, Philip, we want to ask Philip, okay, can you find me one share right now on the 14th of February that will make the most money if I hold it for the next 1 year? That means, all the 1,000 shares over there, can you have a method to find one share that will make the most money if I sell at 14th of January 2026? What is that one share? Is there a systematic way to find that share? Do you follow what I'm saying? Same question. Let's say example right now, today, 14th of January, I want to make money in, let's say, July 14th of July. Is there a systematic way of finding that one share that will make the most money, most profitable by 14th of July? Type yes if you understand the question. So if you want to solve that question just now, you cannot use FA and TA. Why? Because let's say example, you look for value. You look for value, you look for cheap stocks. Let's say the stock is undervalued. It's supposed to be $10 and right now it's trading at $5. It does not mean that when the share price is undervalued, let's say 50% undervalued, it does not mean within the next 6 months or within the next 1 year, it will definitely go back to $10, even though it's trading at $5 right now. Type yes if you understand. Because it can continue to go lower for next 1 year, it can go to $5, go to $2, $3, $1. Yes or no? So it does not mean that it's undervalued, it will immediately 6 months or immediately 1 year go back to the share price. Doesn't mean that. So FA cannot. TA also cannot. Why? Because the technical analysis, when it study price, it is not holistic enough. Yes or no? People look at moving average, people look at a particular stock price, and then, hey, then the price cross this line, that will be the stock to buy. But it really depends on when you do the selection. Like example, 14th of January, you may have a list of stocks that price cross the 48. By the way, you don't need to know all this, that give you buy signal. but it does not mean that that is the best stock to buy in the next 1 year, because on 15th of January, there will be another list of stocks with the price crossing the 40 MA example. So how do you systematically find a stock that can do this? How many want to know? Type me if you want to know. Okay, good. Okay, so what we want to do is what we call, instead of going to stock first, let's take a step back. Let's say example right now, World Cup is coming, and you want to bet on the next World Cup winner country. Which country will you choose? See whether who get it right. Which country will you choose to be the World Cup winner? France. Where else? Only. What else? What other country you think will win the World Cup? Brazil. What else? Argentina, Chile. One of this country. Yes or no? One of this country. Okay. And then you will not choose one of the other country, which is like Singapore. Those weak country. Who can give me an example of country that are lousy in the World Cup? Cannot qualify one. Okay. Singapore cannot lah. Yes or no? Malaysia cannot lah. Yes or no? So right now, if I were to ask you this question 1 year ago, 2 years ago, you will roughly give me the same answer. Type yes if you all agree. Even if I ask you this question 10 years ago, you will still roughly tell me that Singapore cannot make it. Yes or no? Malaysia cannot make the World Cup. Brazil got a chance. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So what is the key? The key over here is, what are these countries? These countries are the past winners. Everybody type in winners if you understand. This country are the past winners. Okay, they won the World Cup before. That's one clue. Okay. So is it possible? Is it possible if I guess the stock that will rise the most in the next 6 months or the next 1 year? Is it possible they are also the former winners? That yes, you will think it's possible. One of these former winners. Possible or not? Possible. Okay, that's the first clue. That's first clue. Second clue. Among all this Brazil, France, Germany, right? How can you more accurately determine which one is better? Okay, they have friendly matches. That yes, if you understand. Because before the World Cup, they will play friendly matches. And then you understand how good is the form. How good are they playing? This current team is playing right now. The current performance, how are they doing right now? So not only you look at the past winner, but you look at the recent performance. Type yes if you understand. So if you combine these two, past winners with recent good performance, then that will be a country or you will bet on to win the next coming World Cup. Type yes if you understand. So using the same theory, is there a systematic way to look at the past winner? Is there a systematic way to look at good performance recently for all these stocks? Then once you identify this later or do a demo, then you say, this one will give you good odds. Type yes if you understand. I know some of you are thinking, Colin, what if there is a turnaround? Suddenly Singapore from the next 20 years, do very well, and then eventually in 20 years' time win the World Cup. Possible or not? Possible or not? In 20 years' time. What do you think? Possible or not possible? Maybe say, Colin, not possible. So what happened is, with current information, that means what is available information right now, facts, your best bet is to do this. Past winners who have good performance recently. Type yes if you understand. You make the bet, you will not make a bet of a lousy performance, performing lousily right now. even though it gives you very good odds, you should not bet on that to win even for the next 20 years. Type yes if you understand. Good. So we solve our first answer. The answer is past winners with recent good performance. Later we'll find. Okay, later we'll find, do a demo. Okay. Next, when. So when to buy, a lot of people say, okay, now I identify the past winners with recent good performance already. Then the next question is, do I just click buy like this? The answer is no lah. Yes or no? It's no lah. Why? Because how many things trading is like this? It's like this. Everybody keep quiet. Let me shoot the target. No, trading is not like this because trading can be very noisy. Yes or no? That yes, if you agree. Okay, so we must have a systematic way. After you find the past performance with current good result, we must have a systematic way to enter the stock. That yes, if you understand. You find a good stock, recent good performance, then you must have a way to enter the stock. Those don't randomly go in. So what is the greatest enemy in trading? What is the greatest enemy in trading? Is yourself, or more accurately, your emotions. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. It's your emotions. Okay. So the question, can we do this? Can we remove emotions in trading? What we do is when you want to remove emotions, you need to have a system, a process to buy. Type yes if you understand. You must have a process to take action. That's the key. Later part, I will show you the process, okay, of how to get in and out. Got it? Like, yes, if you understand. Thank you, by the way, for participating. Okay. So very quickly right now, I want to just go through a very basic system. Okay, a very basic system. So later part, when I show you the chart will come in two forms. I will now show you the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is basically the index for US, index for US. Okay, and I'm going to look at the weekly chart. What do we mean by weekly chart? Weekly chart means this is called a what we call a candle, and this price represent the performance of 1 week. That yes, if you understand. So if 52 candles means 1 year lah. Oh, so one candle represent 1 week, 52 candle means 1 year. Okay, this is a weekly chart. This is a daily chart. So a daily chart different is one candle right now represent 1 day. Like yes, if you understand. So if you have 20 days means 20 candles means 20 days. Okay, so when I look at long term, when you say, Colin, I want to buy something for long term, I will look at the weekly chart for long term. When I'm looking at short term, I'll look at the daily chart. Type yes if you understand. How long is long term? More than 1 year is long term. More than 1 year is one long term. How many short term? Maybe 3 months to maybe 9 months is short term. Okay, guys, there are shorter term as short as 1 week, but we don't have time to go too much into detail. Today, we just talk about 1 year and 3 to 9 months. Is that okay? Like yes, if it's okay. So what do I want to see? What do I want to see? If they ask me, Colin, can I buy Nasdaq, which is the index, right, for the next 1 year, then I need to see the chart. And if that chart right now is blue in color, that means you can buy. Type yes if you understand. In fact, the very week that it changes from red color to blue color, that will be my buy signal. Type yes if you understand. And every week pass and a new candle will appear. And if that particular week it changes to red color, that will be my sell signal. So that's very easy. One buy signal, one sell signal. Type yes if you all can follow. Any question if you cannot follow? So I took a look at this NASDAQ, which is an index for weekly chart. Okay, and then I see the colors. This is in 2020, about 5 years ago, 4 years ago. 2020, somewhere in May 2020. Can you see on top here? May 2020. That particular week, it changes from red to blue. Type yes if you understand. So you must understand that you don't have all these future prices. You only have this candle over here that changed from red to blue. All these are nothing lah. Don't have anything yet. Then you take action the very next week to buy. And then subsequently, you now waiting for the candle to turn what? To sell, you want to wait for the candle to turn red color. Yes or no? So every week, the new week appear, every week a new week appear. You are waiting for the candle to turn red color. Once it turn red, you will what? Sell. Type yes if you understand. So right now, speed up. Right now, we are at the, and then after that got sell signal over here. Type yes if you understand. So a buy signal over here in 2020 April, and then you sell subsequently over here. When the candle turn red, you sell. Then you will lock in your profit. Buy over here, and then sell over at this place. Type yes if you follow. Okay, this is from 2020 to 2022, 2 years. Okay, subsequently turn red already. After turn ready, then turn back to blue here. Then what do? When you turn back to blue, then what do? You buy the next week. Okay? And then again, you follow the same principle. And every week, it will update. Every week, it will update. And if that particular week, it changed to red color, right now, even right now, the latest candle here, this is right now, January, it have not changed color. So what do? You don't sell yet. Like follow if you follow. So you have bought this in 2003 February. Until now, you are still up about 60%. You are still holding that stack. Yes, if you understand. Simple, right? Okay, so you can zoom out and look at the other years. Let's say example from 2016, what do you do? You can look at the historical. Okay, so that is for the weekly chart. Any question? Type good if you have no question. So this one entry, one exit. That's all. One entry, one exit. Can take 1 year, can be 2 years. Simple. Okay, and you can apply this to stocks. Let's say example, you do this. You can apply this to stocks. Let's say right now I want to look at NASDAQ. I want to look at a particular stock. Let's say I want to look Apple. Everybody know Apple, right? Not the Apple you eat, the company Apple, your phone, Apple. And then I use the same principle. I go to weekly chart, and then from here, it can give me the buy and sell signal. Type yes if you all follow. Follow, Okay, good. So next part. Daily chart. So in daily chart, you do not want to just buy one time and just hang on for 3 months. what you want to do is you want to accumulate. You want to buy and add position as the price goes higher. That yes, if you understand. You want to accumulate, you want to buy more as the price goes higher. So how do you do that? It's like this week I just went to see Ori, right? Progressive payment. As the price build up, you pay more, pay more money. Okay. So same thing over here. So if that wick, that candle is blue color, and on that particular day, it has a green arrow, that will be my buy signal. That yes, if you understand. So previously was red, and then when it turn blue, you don't buy immediately. You wait for the arrow to appear. Once the arrow appear, that will be your first buy signal. Okay? And as the price goes higher, if you see another arrow to buy, you will add position. How much to add, I cover later. But you will buy some more if you are correct. Like yes, if you follow. Very good. Okay, so same thing. You can apply this to Apple. Go to daily chart. Then you just zoom in and see the stocks. Okay, and let's say example Nvidia. You can do weekly chart, long term. This entry 22nd 2020 December you enter, and right now you're up 700%. You are still holding. Like yes, if you understand, it means from here all the way to here, candle have not turned red, you're still holding. Meanwhile, if you are doing daily chart, you can go from 2022, you can trade in and out. Okay, some of this, let's say example from here to here, let's say a few months from here to here, 93%. That means you are going from here to around here. Like yes, if you understand, you bought here and then you exit here. Okay, so how long is this? Somewhere from November 2023 all the way to 2024. Simple. Okay, so that is the system ready. Later you will have a chance to test your stocks, the stocks that you want. By right, you must choose the what? Past winner. Type yes if you remember the past winners. You must choose one of these past winner. You cannot randomly go and choose one stock. Yes or no? By right, you must choose one of the past winner. And secondly, after you choose past winner, later I'll show you how to choose past winners with good performance. Let's say last 1 month, what are the past winners with good performance? Then from there you can say, oh, this is a past winners with good performance. Some of these already have signals. Okay, like example here, this stock has a signal to buy today. Type yes if you understand. There's an arrow. Yes or no? Okay, so how many of y'all want proof? Colin, this method can make money or not? Type in proof if you want proof. Okay, very good. So now I'll show you the proof. This is a public Facebook group. It's not the secret Facebook group. This is a public Facebook group. We have like 31,000 members inside the public Facebook group. Okay, you can go into the group, accepted in the member, then you can go through the group also, see what's inside the group. So I search under testimonial, okay, and you can see some of the results, okay. We have a lot. I will not show you everyone, but I go through some of them. Is it okay? Type okay if it's okay. Okay, so this is absolutely thrilled to share my heartfelt testimony towards Colin and the entire team. From day one, the coaching team and the resources provide a nice shot of exceptional. I think I won't go through everything. I just go through the result. Make money. Tell me how much money you make. Okay. So as a university student means what? Not very old. Do you understand? Like yes, if you understand. Okay, very young lah, okay? Achieving about 8 to 10% per month. Okay, so this testimony is done in 19 July 2024. Since joining the SMT in 2023 September. So from September 2023 to June 2024, how long? About 9 months. That yes, if you agree, around 9 months. So after 9 months, he wrote this testimony. Okay, there are people who like the post, there are people who commented the post. Okay, so let's say example, a capital university student, not a lot of money lah. Maybe let's say example, starting capital $10,000. Okay, use parent money. Okay, let's say you can do about 10% per month. Okay, so that will be how much? $1,000 per month. That good if you think it's good for a university student to make $1,000 extra per month. Not bad lah. Yes or no? Okay, by the way, the answer is this is not Forex, this is stocks. Okay, not Forex. Huh? So this is one testimony over here. Now let's go to the next one. I just go in and see how much money they make. Okay. Sometimes they say cost very value for money. I think not very the it's not very measurable. Do you all agree? But yes, if you agree. Value for money means what? How much? Okay. Very profitable, also not very tangible. Profitable for the way this person is a doctor. He wearing the doctor clothes. Okay. Very profitable means what? So I will, but this one the testimony are very profitable. Okay. Okay, this one maybe more better. Okay, I would like to say I make back my course fee before I even post this. Okay, how many want to understand that whatever you invest in this course, which I'm going to tell you what's the cost later, is a investment. Everybody type in investment. It's an investment. It's not an expense. If you think this is an expenses, then please don't come. That yes, if you heard what I say. If you think this is going to cost you money, do not come. You are the wrong people to come. It will not get you the result you want. You must view this as an investment in yourself. Got it? Okay? If you treat this as a expenses, that means you think you're going to invest this money and the money is going to be gone, then don't come. If you follow what I'm saying, you're wrong crowd. Yes or no? You don't know you don't understand the concept of investing in yourself. That yes, if you understand. Just I mentioned one thing, life skill, yes or no? Life skill. When you acquire a life skill, one of the things needed is what? Is to invest in this. Invest in your decision-making machine. We are a decision-making machine, whether to buy or sell. It's a machine, correct? Okay? And hopefully this machine over time, every time in over time, this machine over time makes money, then you have return on investment. Yes or no? Okay, I'll go through quickly, because quite a lot, okay? These are the results of people getting, okay. Another thing you need to understand, some of this testimony is quite long. Do you all agree or not? That yes, if you agree, they talk about how much money they lose and then at the end of the day, how they thank me, it's a must go course, best money spent. Means what? They are appreciative of the course. That yes, if you agree. Okay, appreciative of the cost. Okay, so like example, profit all wiped out during COVID correction. After 6 months, you make 107% profit. 90%. Means they go through a journey. That yes, if you agree, they go through a journey with me Oh, that's the key. Okay. This is more recent one. These are my results. Okay, for 3 Gem, 53%, 54%, 58%. This person make more than 7 figure in our SMT community. make more than 7 figure. Type yes if you heard what I say. I did Zoom video with him. It's somewhere inside. I did a Zoom to interview him. Okay. I was in Australia, I think. They called me, Colin, do you think I should sell this stock? Why not sell? Because I can sell this stock and buy, I paid and buy a condo full cash. Do you think I should do it? Okay. That if you pay can pay full cash means what? You make me a million already. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay. How I make 55% after 6 months. Okay. These are some of the results. Okay. Dollar value is about not a lot. Okay, maybe about how much? 9,000. Okay. For capital of like 20,000 or something like that. Okay. Long due testimony and these are some of the results. This person also very young, Zhiqiang. Okay. Good body. I just met him last. Wow. Okay. Sorry. Wrong. Okay. Very young. Okay. Yes or no? Made 24,000 in like very young age. Okay. This one, how make 20,000 in less than 3 months. There's a YouTube video. You can go and see. 60% ROI in 13 days. Okay, guys, I will move one or two more, then I will move on already. Type yes if it's okay. You have time, you can go through one by one. You can do your due diligence. Due diligence means what? Go and click on this guy. What does this guy do? Who is he? View his profile. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That is how you do due diligence. Okay, you can even PM him and talk to him. Yes or not? Okay. Okay, so this boast is not to Hao Lian, but it's possible to earn a decent income from trading. Okay, this year, this person, this is 2021 when he did this testimony. 18 months after attending the course, he is able to supplement his income to more than $9,000 per month. If you look at this part, his returns, annualized return is about 43%. Okay, average monthly income about 3,000 per month extra. That yes, if you understand. So every month plus his salary, he make more than 9,000. It means his salary about 5,000 plus. 5,000 plus 3,000, about 9,000. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. 6,000 plus. Okay, 6,000 plus 3,000, more than $9,000. This year, this person make 370 over 1,000. Okay, this is in 2021. Okay, this Glenn. His testimony right now is in he put in the graduates group. I don't know why. Graduate group, nobody see. Okay. I think it's 300 over 1,000. Okay, my report card, January. Okay, can you see? My report card in 2024. Just now the testimony was 2021. Type yes if you still remember this Glenn guy. This is 2024. 3 years later, his report card. Okay, has rise in portfolio more than double of S&P 500. S&P 500 did about 23%. Nasdaq did about 28%. He did 101%, and his returns is 372,000. Type good if it's good. Guys, this guy in 2021, his salary about $6,000 per month. Do you understand what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. About $6,000 per month. Every month he can make about $3,000, but now his cumulative return has made to 337. And this is more than 3 years already. 4 years already. You follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. More than 4 years results already. So these are real results. Every month performance, blah, blah, blah. It's from there. Okay? And this is not the only one. Not the only one. Just recently, we did our graduates meetup. This is our graduates meetup. That's why it's in the public group. This is our graduates meetup. And we have a lot of photos. Where are the photos? I've got photos. Okay? From here, there are a lot of photos. About 700 people. Okay, someone come and talk to me and say, Colin, I lost my job this year. And Can I ask this question? How many lost their job this year? Or still looking for a job? Like me, we are looking for a job, lost a job. Okay, this person, true story, came and in the 700 people event, right? Come and tell me, Colin, I lost my job this year. But I want to thank you. I made my whole year income this year from trading. He said until want to cry, I also want to cry. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so these are the impact that we make lah. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, we have last year in September we did our retreat. We did our retreat in Desaru. Okay, there's one guy flew 22 hours business class from Hawaii to Singapore. Then from Singapore to we go together to Desaru. He made about $1 million trading in 1 year. Okay, so these are the people that get results. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, and we have many. So if you go through the testimony part, you can go through the rest and find all this. Okay, a lot. Okay, so I will skip the rest. Is it okay? There are more than 100 of them. Result testimony, more than 100 of them. Okay, you can go down and can see lah. Okay, some of them appear on TV also. Okay, some of them yeah, so a lot lah, a lot of story. Okay, I think I'll skip the rest. Maybe I just one question. One testimony. This is from Joe Augustine. Okay, Joe Augustine. He attended our course also, and after the course, this is what he have to say after the course. Just to add one more thing, this is not a paid testimony. In fact, every single one of them here, every single one of them post their testimony on their own free will. That yes, if you heard what I say, I don't know when they're going to post one. When they got result, they post. Do you all follow what I'm saying? I don't know when they're going to post. I'm not going to keep track what is your trading result. I don't know. Okay, so now all this is I don't know the result. Okay, same thing for this person who did the testimony. This is what I have to say.
Well, hi from Wembley Stadium. We're just waiting for Ed Sheeran's concert to start up in just a while. I'm Joe Augustine, and I thought I'd spend a moment telling you about Colin Seow, because Colin runs this systematic trading program. And if you want to learn about trading and you want to find a way to trade equities, especially, and be more profitable, then you should check out the systematic trading program that he has got for you. Colin is one of the best in terms of trading that I have come across. He's very, very good with teaching, and he's very, very generous as well. And he has a wonderful team that will support him. And if you're looking for a way to be more consistently profitable trading, well, you have to check out what Colin Seow has to say. In the meantime, I'm just going to wait, and I look forward very much to Ed Sheeran's concert, which begins in just a few minutes.
Okay, just to clarify, one question is, Colin, is everyone in your community make money? Does everyone make money? The answer is no. Type yes if you heard what I say. The answer is no. Not everyone make money one. Or these are people who got result. These are people who make money. Same thing in life. A lot of people know how to be healthy, but not everyone is healthy. Type yes if you agree. This thing only work if you take action. Type yes if you heard what I say. It only works if you take action. That means a lot of them go through challenges, but it's not a straight line. But because it's a life skill, because it's a skill that you must jump into the pool one, I cannot do it for you. Do you all follow what I'm saying? I cannot do it for you. So there are win, there are loss, but overall, after 4 years, you post results, you can see the big picture. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, that's why we can get like 700 people in the room. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, and then getting testimony like this. Okay, by the way, this is a public group. It's a public group. We do have a graduates group. In this graduates group, we got about 6,500 members in the group. 6,500 in the group. And it is a active group lah. You all follow what I'm saying. Okay, like example, that's how someone posted this and then talk about the big event and then there are 62 comments. It's an active group. Type yes if you agree. It's an active group. It's not a passive group. Okay, so we have like walks and things like that. But my point is, guys, not every 6,500 everyone make money. There are people who attend a course, never even do their first trade. Type yes if you heard what I say. Because they end up too busy. They thought they pay money means make money. No, cannot. You pay money, you must still trade. Take action. Yes or not? Then you can make money. Okay? And even if you take action, there is still a journey of learning this life skill. Fair enough? Type fair if you think I make a fair statement. By the way, I want to share with you, if someone say, everyone make money, make a lot of money, no one lost money, please quickly run away. It's a scam. Like, yes, if you understand. It's a scam. Guaranteed my money. Please run quickly. Guaranteed my money. I mean, quickly run. Okay? Scam. Okay? Okay, let me just go out. These are like very early, 2001, 5 or 6. Okay, so 2015, they make 65%. Many are doing well. This 2015 to 2025, 10 years ago. By the way, I've done this for like 17 years. Okay, so this one, it has been started in July. It has been started 8 months. I already make back my course fee. Okay, now I managed to grow my account by 65%. Hope to achieve 100% within a year. These are people who are getting results. Okay, last one. How much to buy? How to manage your risk is to buy more when you're correct and sell fast when you're wrong. How you do that is by having progressive entry. That's why I mentioned this, right? You add on position. Type yes if you still remember. You add on position. You don't buy in equal amount. What you do, the first time, let's say example, you have 10,000 example dollars, right? First time you buy 50%. Second time buy 30%. Third time buy 20%. 50, 30, 20. Let's say you have $1,000. First time you buy $50, $500. Second buy $300. Third time buy $200. Type yes if you understand. Okay? Question. How do these people lose money if they're using the same standard? They don't use. Okay, guys, you understand the system has no problem. What is the problem? The operator problem. Type yes if you understand. That means when the signal asks you take profit, you never take. Ask you cut loss, you never cut. You became too busy, no time to monitor. You never start. This kind of thing cannot control. Do y'all understand what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Then come out, sell already, never sell. Then you buy, never buy. Then say, oh, I bought already too busy to monitor, then never monitor. Cannot. Do y'all follow what I'm saying? Like, yes, if you understand. By the way, is there people like that? Have a lot. A lot. Why? Because Singaporeans' best excuse is too busy. Guys, the amount of time you spend in learning this life skill is going to be worth much more than if you spend your time working. Guaranteed. Type yes if you heard what I say. The extra 1 hour that you spend learning this life skill is going to be worth much, much more in the future than you spend an hour to stay in your job, doing your OT. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, but still there are people that don't. Yes or no? Okay, that's life. Okay, so now I want to give you a demonstration already. Demonstration number 1. First thing first, I will do my thing. Okay, find the past winner. Colin, how to find past winner? Very easy. Go to here, look by market cap. Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Meta. All these are the Brazil, the France, the Germany in the stock market. Type yes if you understand. Some of this stock, Amazon, is highlighted in green. Why? Because there is a buy signal. Type yes if you see this. And today is the 18th arrow. That means if you click on this, right now, from the first time until right now, you can count that 18 arrow. Type yes if you understand. You cannot buy on the 18th arrow. You can only buy on the first, second, and third arrow. Okay, so you buy on the first arrow, about 20 over cent. Type yes if you understand. This is for what? Short term, using arrow. Long term, use what chart? Long term, use weekly chart. Very good. Then you see weekly chart trading lah. Do you all follow why? Do you understand what I'm talking about? Type yes if you understand. Okay, good. Okay, so these are all the strong stocks. These are stocks like Tesla. There is a buy signal today. There is a buy signal today. And this is the 8th arrow today. What you want to look for is the first, second, and third arrow. That yes, if you understand. Question, how come 18 arrows still highlight? That what advanced? Okay, advanced method. Why 4, 6, 8 arrows still come up? Advanced method. For your right now, beginner, first 3 arrow. Okay, like Broadcom now 4th arrow. The advanced method can allow you to enter more than 3 arrows. But right now, everybody basic. Do you understand what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, good. So I've shown you all the stocks that are results one. Okay, whether it's up or down. What are the stocks that are good? Amazon. That's what I show you. Marvel, which some of you never heard before, is good. Okay, over right now is about 70% since the first arrow over here, about 44%, and then subsequently a second arrow about 60%, third arrow about 40%. These are all good stocks. Okay, but right now we're going to choose your stocks. See, when you choose your stock, you all can randomly choose any stock. Do you all follow what I'm saying? But we're still going to use your randomly chosen stock to apply the same system. And we're going to see whether you use weekly chart or daily chart, whether there will be some profit. Okay, now you all choose what you all want. 3 chart. Okay, 3 chart. Any 3 stocks. Okay, disclaimer. Must choose stocks that is regularly traded. Don't go and find one stock, a very low market cap, cannot work. Do you all follow what I'm saying? What are the 3 stocks they want to choose? Regularly traded stock. Don't go and choose one stock, very low market cap, will not work. Okay? Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, Go, Micron, Amazon, Apple. Okay. So how to find one? Just now we talked about the past winner. Type yes if you remember. Okay? This is past winner. Past winner, good performing last month. These are the good performer last month. Do you all understand what I'm talking about? Type yes if you understand. Okay? So later part, you can combine what are the past winner with good performance. Okay, later you can have a way to look for it. Okay, but right now we are not doing this anymore because I cannot say only choose good performer stock last 1 month. You all won't know, yes or no? So right now you're just randomly choosing anything. Okay, so we have Meta, we have PLTR, Palantir, we have Spot. Okay, let's do 2. Let's do Palantir, Meta, and Lulu. Can? Meta, Palantir, Lulu. Type yes if it's okay. Lulu is not so big cap. Okay, but we will try that. Okay? Meta. Okay, so right now we are randomly choosing stocks. Okay, this may not be the past winner, may not be the best performer in the last 1 month. Type yes if you understand. Okay, so now let's look at the weekly chart first. Weekly chart, the signal came out somewhere here in January 2023. Yes or no? And then you held on to the stock all the way until now. You have not exited. Type yes if you agree. So from here all the way to here, you're up about 300% over a period of about 2 years. One of the things I want to share with you for long term is you manage to ride through all the ups and downs. Type yes if you agree. Because in between this 331%, there were times when the stock dropped 20%, when the stock dropped 15%, but you did not get out. That's why you managed to ride the 331%. Do you understand? That yes, if you understand. This is important. Why? Because you can able to ride big trends. Ride big trends. Same stock. Now we go into daily chart. Trading. In and out. Okay, in and out. Here got a signal, arrow, and then exit. Type yes if you understand. Okay, arrow and then exit. Okay, so in general, roughly from here to here, 134%, from here to here, roughly around 67%. That yes, if you understand, few months trade. Okay, next is what's the next one? Forget already. What's the next one? Meta, then Lulu and Palantir. Okay, Palantir. So Palantir, now we go into weekly chart first, long term. You got in, by the way, this is not a sell signal. I don't have time to explain, but this is not a sell signal, okay? So from here all the way to here, this is about 607%. Even if you blur and go and sell on this candle, you went in, you went out 90%, you went in again. That yes, if you understand, you still make the full return. Or because you exit already, then candlestick turn blue again, you enter again. Yes or no? But in real life, this is not an exit signal. Don't have enough time to explain, but this is not a sell signal, okay? If you didn't sell everything, that is 676%. If you exited 90% and from here you enter again, this is about 300%. But yes, if you understand, that's long term. For short term, daily chart, again, you go trade, okay? So in and out, in and out. The most recent one, you exited a few days ago. That yes, if you see this red candle 2 days ago. So whatever you bought earlier, 50, 30, 20, you exited recently and you lock in the profit of 122% in about 4 months. Type good if it's good. 4 months, 122%. Okay. Last one, Lulu. Okay. Long term. Weekly chart. Okay, there's a signal. This was a signal over here to buy. That yes, if you see this signal. Okay, so right now you're up about 32%. Same time, you go to daily charts, you can see this one is recently buy signal over here. That yes, if you see the chart. Okay, also around for 50%. Got it? Okay, guys, I will move on. If you want to stay back, I can show you more things later. Okay, other charts. Okay, so about time, guys, everyone, think about it. This method take far less time compared to you do fundamental, compared to you do technical, read news. This method take far less time. That yes, if you agree. Every day, all you need to do is to look for stocks. Past 1 month performance. Look for stocks that have 1, 2, or 3 signals. Okay, market cap, same thing. Look for stock that have buy signal. Look for the Brazil, France, Germany. This one right now got a buy signal. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, when it's highlighted, let's say example somewhere in 13 July, when it's there's a signal, it will be highlighted in green. Type yes if you understand. Okay. So all the news, everything is inside already. Do you understand not? So Broadcom, everything take into consideration all the news. Just now we see Palantir or Lulu, all the news is inside already. We don't care about news. We just trade the signals. Got it? Secondly, it's far more accurate and produce high probability trade. Type yes if you agree. It is not 100%, but it's high probability. It's far more robust. Okay, we have tested 3 stocks. Okay, these are the results. Okay, it's very easy to learn. It is not the full system. It's not the full system. Okay, give me another time, we will show you what are the stop loss, how to set profit target and things like that. Okay, but this is a very rough system. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Like, yes, if you understand. Okay, with more time, the result is better. Guaranteed. Type yes if you heard what I say. Right now, I don't have time to go through all the things, but with more time, the result is better. Okay, and it produces big winners. Okay, so the sooner you know how to write big trends, the sooner you make big profit. Can you call in all the stock? Don't do daily chart, do weekly chart. Cannot. Can. Better. Don't need to go in and out. Okay. This is Rainer. He's Trading Rainer. Anybody know him? Trading Rainer. He got like 2 million subscribers in his YouTube channel. Singaporean. Anybody know him? Nobody know him. Okay, maybe you're not the trader. Okay, so this is what I have to say. If you are looking to be a consistently, everybody type in consistently. You are looking to be a consistently profitable trader in the shortest possible time. I will highly recommend the systematic trader. Okay, if you want to be a consistent profitable trader in the shortest possible time, I will highly recommend the systematic trader. Okay, so this is Rainer. He has about 2 million subscribers, Singaporean, who have traded many years. Okay, in fact, years ago, I was actually teaching in his class. Class is a university student. He was a university student. So he also wrote a book together with me that is Rainer over here. And this book is called The Trader's Blueprint. Okay. Fee, Cheryl, if you want to know the fee, you can PM the admin. They can tell you the fee. Okay. This is a YouTube channel about 1 billion subscribers. Okay. So why I do what I do? All you ask me, how many curious? Type me if you are curious. Colin, if you do for so many years already, you got like 6,000 students, you run a community that is so big, then why you want to do this? Okay, why you want to do this? Okay, the reason why I do this is because many years ago, this by the way, this is a big event. Okay, many years ago, I was a stockbroker. Okay, I was a stockbroker. I traded my own account. And then that is like more than 17 years ago. One of my clients lost money. True story, by the way. Like, yes, if you heard what I say, this is a true story, not a fiction story. Because very funny. Recently, my niece, my wife told my niece about this story. Then my niece, you mean Uncle Colin story is real one? Yes, it's a real story. Okay, last time I suffered before. Okay, so after that, after these losses, right, I decided, hey, I want to have a systematic way to make money. Okay, that's when the Trader GPS was invented. Okay, then after I did that, I traded the market for the next 18 months, and I managed to make back the $250,000, all the losses made back. Then I thought to myself what I want to do with my life. Okay, this is in 2013, okay, where we have the big event. Then this company saw what I was doing and they invited me to speak and things like that. That started my journey. Then I thought to myself what I want to do with my life. Okay, because I'm not stupid. I also know the end of the life we end with zero. Type yes if you heard what I say. Everyone, no matter how many bounty billion, everybody zero one. Okay, so it's really while you're alive, what do you do with your life? Yes or not? Okay, so one of the things besides traveling, last year I traveled more than 12 months. I've traveled more than 12 places in a year. I like to do charity. We adopted a girls' home for the last 1 year. All our the expenses all we bow. Okay, we adopted 80 girls, young girls, and we have a community that serve them and also take care of their expenses. And then last one is I want to have a positive impact in people's life. Okay, I want to have a positive impact in people's life that I will realize my life is worth living. Type yes if you understand. How many agree? Just down got a lot of testimony. You go and search, it's 100 over of this testimony. Not just good cause, but make money, change my life, and things like that. Okay, why is it so? It's because every week I do a live webinar with them. Okay, whether is it from 10 years ago you graduated, 1 year ago you graduated, you every week there is a live webinar. Okay, so beside the 4 days course, after that, every week we have a live webinar with them. That means I jump into the pool and swim together with them. That yes, if you understand. Okay, I jump in the pool and do together with them. Okay. So this is the members area. Under the members area, you go under webinar. Oh, sometimes I do holiday. And last year don't even do that. But you see, all the weekly webinar that I've done, every one of them is about 1 hour of training. Can you see that? Okay, it's about 1 hour of training, 1 hour, 30 minutes of training. Okay. And I've done that for many, many, many years. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So if one person can teach, but not only teach, every week do a webinar with you, do you think your likelihood of succeeding become higher? That yes, if you agree. That means what you do every week, I tell you, let's say, example, you ask the same stock, Tesla cannot, Tesla cannot, Tesla, every week same Tesla, and every week I give you the answer. Do you think you're more likely to get result? Yes. Got it? Oh, that's the reason also why we hold big event like this. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay. So that's the reason why I do this. Okay. So I want to speed up a bit. Is it okay? Type yes if it's okay. All this I will skip. This kind of 24-week bestseller. That time was young. Bestseller, my book, trade systematic trader book, Straits Time coverage, how I turn my life around using my system. It's the past. Okay. But I want to share with you all one thing. First thing first, let me just clarify. This is the program already. There is no like this program, then got another advanced course, another advanced course, another advanced course, and you go pay extra money for it. Type yes if you understand and heard what I say. This is the program already. This program got lifetime webinar. Every time lifetime. Whether you graduate the class in 2012 or 2022 or just last month, you can have the free webinar free for life. Got it? Okay, and this has not only changed my life, but lots of life around the world. And this is the same system that I use to generate profit in the market. Okay. One more thing before I go on. Sydney website has listed all the bigger training companies, because there's a lot of people who do training education. But yes, if you understand, YouTube a lot or YouTube, Google also a lot but everybody teach you trading So sometimes you also don't know which one is good. Do you agree? Because everybody also say theirs is good So this is Singapore's largest investment, financial and investment committee. So under investment causes, they list down all the causes, most of the bigger one in Singapore. Okay, systematic trader, which is my course, is ranked the most recommended. Okay, we have trading arena, just now my friend Adam Khoo, next level, Synapse Trading, XRolex, VI, 3%. We are ranked number one in terms of most recommended. Okay, we are also the most reviewed course, 2,000 over review. That yes, if you understand, every single one of them who read the review attended the course before. Type yes if you understand. Verify before you can put the testimony. Okay. So almost at the end, this, how many here want to fire your boss? Like me, I'm not fire your boss. Me, I want to have money that cannot finish one. 花不完的钱. It means money in your bank account that cannot finish one. Like me, you want to do that. Okay. This person did it in 9 months. Okay. In 9 months, she have, I don't know how much she have, but she don't need to consider price tag. Okay, that's important or not? Type yes if you think it's important. Go holiday, no need to check price on, okay? Buy ticket, no need to check price on, just buy, okay? So this she did in 9 months. This is what she had to say.
Before this, I was complete. But right now, I'm trading every day. It pays for my mortgage, it pays for my living expenses. And when I tell my friends, they find it unbelievable because I was from an industry, the elder care industry, that has nothing to do with finance. Anything is possible. As long as you're willing to put in the hard work, you can achieve it. My name is Grace, and I was from the elder care industry before I attended the SMT program. I joined in February 23rd, and I remember that really well because it was my birthday. Honestly, I didn't have a good impression, never really wanted to get to know about it until things changed though. Something happened in my life, and I realized that I needed to pick up a skill that would allow me to generate an income, even if I was gonna be at home or wherever I was. I went for every single free preview that was in the market. My impression changed because when you're there physically, when you're listening to what the trainers say and you're able to interact and ask questions, you have a lot more clarity of what this course is about, what this whole industry is about. When I learned trading, my goal for myself was really financial freedom. I think it's the same with many people. The ability to go into the supermarket, pick up the groceries, and not have to look at the price tag and just pop it into your shopping bag. If you feel like going on a holiday, you don't have to calculate too much. You just go. So trading has given me a life skill which enables me to achieve that goal, that eventual freedom. You don't need a lot of capital to start. Because trading is not gambling. Trading is not about making that one big ticket win. It's about learning a life skill, constantly honing it until one day you're able to scale up your profits, scale up your trades bit by bit. In fact, my classmate was a student. She's only, I think, 22 years old, and she's using her pocket money to trade. So she makes really, really small trades, but she's super consistent. If you've met Colin, you realize that he is very, very different from everything that I thought about people in this industry. He is a really honest guy. Really. Colin is unbelievably patient. I attended every single one of his weekly webinars. So after you graduate, it's not like, okay, thanks, bye. You're going to be able to sit in for weekly webinars, which are recorded if you can attend it on at the time itself. And Colin goes through the market, his analysis, and if you're not sure about your trade, you can actually just spit it out to him. That kind of hand-holding, that kind of after-class support, to me is really, really priceless. Once you're part of the SMT community, you have people you can ask. In the Facebook group, the more senior traders are able to help juniors like us. And of course, Colin is also there to guide you through the process. That to me is really the most important part of this program. Not just 2 days, but the after support that I get. The SMT is a lot more than just using the trader's genius. Because trading is about a system. Knowing when to get into your trade is important, but you also need to know when to get out. The devil is always in the details. So the course offers the whole package, and on top of that, it even gives me post-course mentorship. For everybody who's watching this, just try it out. you will realize this is the one thing that you can do for yourself that will really, really help you to achieve your financial goals. Had I not joined this community, I would not have gotten the kind of confidence I have right now. And I would still probably be, like the average Singaporean, worrying about money, worrying about what's come tomorrow, worrying maybe if one day you'll get retrenched from your job. Trading really has given me that level of confidence and security inside my head. I feel very secure knowing that I'll never go hungry no matter what happens. Anyone can start. It's really a matter of how much you want this for yourself.
Okay. Hey guys, the next class is on 12, 14, and 15 of February. Okay, 12, 15, 14, 15 of February. Wednesday and Friday is at night. Okay, from 7:30 onwards. 15 February, which is Saturday, is on the full day. Okay, from 10 to 3. Okay, from 10 to 3. We have 12 seats left for this batch that's coming. I know some of you are referred or you have been in the public Facebook group before, and you have more or less decided to sign up already, just waiting for the preview to sign up. So all you need to do is to type in referred ready, and my team will PM you the payment link. Why I want to do this is because I want to make sure that those people that already decided to sign up, you all get the 12 seats. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so this whole class will be on Zoom. Okay, it will be on Zoom. It's not live. It will be from 7:30 p.m. for these 2 days, and this one will start at 10 p.m. Okay, well 10 a.m. all the way to late to maybe like 3 p.m. Okay, and this one will start from 7:30 at night to about maybe 10 o'clock. Yeah. Okay. So all on Zoom. All on Zoom. And this is just the beginning. Okay. It's just the starting. Okay. I don't expect you all to learn everything in this 3 days. Do you all follow what I'm saying? This is just the beginning. And after that, what's going to happen is I will show you what is the Trader GPS about. How do you use this system to trade short term? Anybody here interested in trade short term? Like short term, if you're interested in trade short. Colin, don't want 3 months, too long already. I want trade short term, like few days can or not. Okay, then we will show you how to trade short term. Okay, these are some of the more advanced strategy that we talk about. Okay, then from there you can see what are the shorter term trade like Broadcom. You see a dot or not? Dot means buy lah. Okay, then there's a profit target one. Okay, so means you enter, exit already, few days. Type yes if you understand. Okay, some of these things like can be very short term lah. Like example, alphabet. Okay, enter, exit already, few days. Okay, example here, enter, few day exit. Enter here, few day exit. Enter here, few day exit. Enter here, few day exit. Enter, few day exit. You all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, so these are some of the stocks that have signal already. Some of the stocks have not signal yet, but these are the stocks with signal already. Okay, so these are shorter term trade. Okay, so this is the 4 days Zoom class. Used to be many years ago, I was this person doing live trading here. Live lah. Okay, live trading here. Now it's everything on Zoom. Now it's everything on Zoom. Okay, and but I want to share with you one thing, guys. I think it's nowadays I realize it's quite important. What is the more important? It's important for the trainer to train for many years. Not that the trainer become more experienced in trading or more experienced in teaching, but this guy, right, got a lot to lose if he tell you something that is not true. Do y'all follow what I'm saying? He got a lot of goodwill accumulated. He cannot afford to lose. Type yes if you understand. So I cannot tell you, sure make money, 100% return. No, cannot. Why? Because you are in the Facebook group, you are in the community, I will meet your face to face. Do you follow? I cannot tell you all this. So that is important. Skin in the game. Skin in the game. So one of the thing is in the game. Second thing is there must be a reason why I have consistently do this for the last 17 years. And I don't need to do this right now. Type yes if you heard what I say. Yeah, I don't post to Hao Lian, but I don't need to do this right now. Okay. Sometimes one day already can make more than 1 year income already. Okay. But the reason why I do this is because it is still good to have some purpose as you do this. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So just to clarify, this 4 days is not one time. It's not one time. It is lifetime. Everybody type in lifetime. That means this 4 days of training, you can attend receipt free for life. Okay, let's say example, the 4 days you attend this year in 2025. In 2026, you can attend the 4 days again. 2027, you can attend the 4 days again. So long as you got, let's say you live another 30 years, you attend 4 days training, it's 120 days of training. Please don't come every year. Okay? Don't need to come every year. But this is the privilege or the entitlement that you have. That yes, if you understand. That's why got so many people get results. If you don't understand, teach until you understand. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay? Therefore, they are training. Then after that, we have all the members area, the cheat sheet, the video course, everything will be here, the members area. Okay? So just now I show you all the webinar. Guys, it's not because of COVID then we do Zoom. Last time in 2018, no COVID, we already doing Zoom. Type yes if you understand. 2018, we're doing Zoom already. It's not like, oh, because of Zoom, then everything was Zoom. No, last time, many years ago, Zoom already. Got it? And been doing Zoom for many years, every week. Okay? So that is one of the value. Record down all the webinar. What I say, everything is recorded. That yes, if you understand, it's like the teacher goes swim with you. Okay? The 4 days class. The 4 days class, we have created the small video, short videos, is also in the members area. So you can receive the 4 days class online. Okay? On top of that, there are things that you can learn beyond the 4 days. Okay, how many here interested in crypto? Type crypto if you're interested in crypto. How many here interested in options? Type in option if you're interested in option. How many interested in technical analysis? Type in technical analysis if you're interested. How many interested in fundamental analysis? Okay, all this is here. Okay, how to buy crypto, how to look what is sharp ratio, these are fundamentals, how to do pair trading, these are more advanced strategy, how to use Keltner channel, these are more advanced strategy. Then some of the more fundamental one, what is commodity super cycle? How does it work for you? By the way, commodity is rising. Okay. Then what is yield curve? How to do yield curve? How to go into properties? How to do fundamentals? How to go trade crypto? Okay. All this over here. So it's continuous education. Every 2 weeks, we have one new thing about that. Type good if it's good. Okay, type good if it's good. Okay, so clarification, you do not need this to be profitable. These are all added value. Type yes if you heard what I say. You do not do every 2 weeks must learn new thing. No need. You don't need to learn, okay? But these are all available for you. Okay, then after that, there are option series. That means a whole series of option. People pay 5-figure course fee to learn how to do option selling. 5-figure to learn how to do hedge with puts. Okay, do covered calls. Some of these course, right? People pay a lot of money to learn. Right now, we have an award-winning analyst, Bloomberg. You know, this news company called Bloomberg award the top analyst for the year. This is one of the winner for the top analyst of the year. He is the one doing the training for all the option series. Okay, so you can learn options over here too. Okay, and then after that, we have all the live trading classes, all the other things over here, like cheat sheet, all the Bible, everything is over here. Okay, all the resources over here. Okay. So this value at 497. The 4 days class is valued at 2197. The Trader GPS value at $10,000. And then a Facebook group. Okay, this is the community lah. Okay, a community. Okay, where we do like meow token. Meow token is a token, one of our token that we did about 1 month ago. This token has went up 600%. Type in 600% if you heard what I say. Okay, this one token we have went up about 600%. Okay, but these are more advanced stuff. Okay, TKX 18. The initial round was $12. Right now it's about $46. Has went up about you can check all this by the way. Later when you join the community, you will know all this in real life. Has went up at least 3 times, 300% in 1 month. Okay, some of this token. Okay. Okay, I'll move on. And the weekly hand holding. This is the most valuable. Type yes if you understand. So it's not just about teaching your trading course only. We have inside here, we have things like crypto, we have things like meow. This meow token is, we have community, more than 100 people in the community bought in at about 1/6 the value. Right now it's 600% more. Okay. Okay, so how much money you make? Let's say example, you start with $5,000. Okay, and your returns is 20%. So 1 year your return will be how much? $1,000. Type yes if you understand this mathematics. You have $5,000 capital, your one stock make 20%, 1 year you make $1,000. Type yes if you understand. Very simple. Okay. Let's say example, 1 year instead of 1 stock you trade more than 1 stock. You trade 6 stocks a year. So this is multiplied by 6. There will be $6,000. By the way, our returns is more than 20%. Type yes if you understand. Our return is more than 20%. Most of the time, any stock you choose is more than 20%. Okay, and you can actually trade more than 6 stocks in a year, which is very little, 6 stocks. Okay. So the regular price for this course is a lifetime course, is only at 4,688. For 4,688, right, you get lifetime of Zoom webinar. You get the 4 days class free for life. That means every year you can attend 4 days class. You have the members area, you have the Trader GPS, all for the low price of 4,688. It's a what? Investment, guys. It's not a cost. Okay, it's an investment, and this is the cost already. There's no other advanced cost and things like that. Don't have already. This is the cost. Okay, and this is a one-time investment of 4,688. Okay, so I have every intention to launch it at 4,688 because this is the roughly around the same price. Some people charge 5 figure for some of these courses, but I will still want to collect more success story. That means if you got results, if you got back your cost fee, if you make profit, I want you all to post in the Facebook group the results. Okay, so for today, right, and only for today, I will take $1,000 off. So instead of your 4,688, it will only be at a low price of 3,688, 3,006 per for one time. All I ask that when you become successful with this, whether you make back your cost fee, whether you make back profit, let me know. Okay, type deal if it's a deal. Type deal if it's a deal. So when the fact you type in deal means you lock in your 3,688. Okay, lock in your 3,688. Okay, but you must be honorable when you got results. Must post testimony. I won't check but you all please post. Okay, so it's around $10 per day. If you go by installment, there is a credit card, interest-free credit card. You must arrange with your credit card company about $10 a day for 1 year, or around $300 per month. okay, per month, $300 per month. That is the investment you make. Okay, so for the first 12, I think you got more than first 12. For the first 12, we will log in at 3688. Okay, log in at 3688. Okay, so go to this link. Okay, go to this link right now and put a $300 deposit right now. $300 deposit right now. You just need to put the deposit, that's all. Then after that, the next week, my team will contact you for the rest of your payment. Okay, for the rest of your payment, we will do that. Okay, there are a few guys who make payment already. We have Chi Han Shi, Ko Pui Sing, Serena Gan, and Jimmy Pei. Very fastest finger first. Okay, we got 4 names already. Okay, still got about 8 names to slot in for February class. Okay, so next thing, I'm gonna do what we call 100% money back guaranteed. Listen up very clearly. Even if you want to sign up, also listen up because important. Because at this point, what we want is not just more people to sign up for the course. That yes, if you understand. We don't want just more people to join. We don't want. We want people to succeed in the course. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Why? Very simple. Because when you succeed, there's a word of mouth. Imagine we have 6,000 people got 2,000, 3,000 people who are successful and sharing this thing. Then it's very powerful. So what we're going to do is we're going to let you use the Trader GPS first. Okay? Get the members, access the members area first. So this members area will be open access to you. And then attend day 1 of the training. Attend day 1 of the training. So after that, after day 1 of the training, if you are not satisfied with the course, any way or form, you're not 100% satisfied in any way or form, you let us know. We give you a full refund, no question asked. The 3688 investment will become 0. That yes, if you understand. This thing you need to let me know after day 1 of the training. After you use the Trader GPS, after you attend the members area, after you attend day 1, you find that this is no good. You're not 100% satisfied, then you just ask for a refund. Then your cost from 3688 become 0. That yes, if you understand. Okay? And no question asked. We train our people, don't ask question. Just let them refund. Okay, so just to recap again, these are the people who have joined us in this life-changing decision. Why do I say it's life-changing or potential life-changing decision? Why? Think about it. Just sound like Glenn. In 2020, I think 20, he joined the course, making about $6,000 a year, a month for his salary. Right now, last year, he made $370,000. Do you think it's life-changing for him? That yes, if you think it's life-changing for him. We have one student, true story, we have one student, $30,000 capital. Right now, 3.5 million. Okay, don't ask me how, but factual, he now is worth 3.5 million. That good if you think it's good. Okay, crypto, stocks, included everything, worth 3.5 million. Okay, life-changing, yes or no? Why I know? Because recently I got him to do interview with Straits Time. Yeah, good marketing, right, crowd? Okay, so okay, what are you gonna get? Number 1 is the Trader GPS class. Okay, the software. Number 2 is the 4 days class. Number 3 is the members area. Number 4 is the Facebook group. Number 5 is the weekly hand. Wow, we got all the names almost there already. Okay, we have Charles, Jenny Low, Leah, Andrea Murphy, Valda Chiu, Ngai Kiet, Nai King Yet, Ken Lim, Gerard Kangas, Jun Ngo, Pei Chin Lee, Andrew Quack, and Gerald Ang. Guys, if any one of y'all here have attended a course before, please don't need to pay the 3688. You entitled the course free for life. Do y'all follow what I'm saying? Okay, because one or two of y'all maybe sound familiar. Okay, so okay, guys, so take advantage of this. Okay, the faster you do this, the more webinar you get. Yes or no? Let's say example right now we have 4 days class, and you attend this 4 days class next year, 4 days class next year. The faster you join, the more receipt you can get lah. Number two, the lifetime webinar. There is no need to pay any extra money for the lifetime webinar. Type yes if you understand. There's no other payment that you need to make for the lifetime webinar. Type yes if you understand. There's no other money you need to pay to attend the lifetime 4 days class. Type yes if you understand. Okay. Reserve your place right now, $300 deposit, or go to this website, smtclass.com, or scan the QR code, fastest finger first. Okay, lock in your price. Okay, one thing, I cannot guarantee a lot of things. I cannot guarantee a lot of things, but I can guarantee you one thing. This thing is true one. Every year so far, we increase price. Why? Because the previous batch student will feel it is worth to join. Let's say last year or the year before, hey, wow, this year increased price. My course I attend is cheaper this year. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. It's like membership like that. So membership every year increase. But you don't pay every year, but the entrance fee every year increase. Okay, this one I guarantee. Okay. So let me recap what you are getting potentially. Number one, your money making life skill. Type yes if you understand. Number two, clarity. Guys, the purpose of attending this course is to make everything clear. It's not to make it even more confusing. Type yes if you understand. Because sometimes there's a lot of things. Crypto good lah, investing property good lah, option good lah, forex good lah, short-term trading good, long-term investing good, value investing good. So many things. Which one is the step one? Which one is the step two? Which one is step three? We will tell you. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. I'm not going to tell you things like, oh, this is the buffet. You got everything. Decide what to eat. Do you all follow what I'm saying? I'll tell you that these are the buffet. Eat this first, then eat this, then eat this. Type yes if you understand. It must be systematic way of growing your wealth. Yes or no? Okay. And lastly, passive income. Potentially passive income. That means attend this thing, you can potentially like those payment. Okay, those people with smaller capital, you want to make income about 10% a month. Let's say you have $5,000 every month, you can make about $500. Okay, but you can also make for the big money. Okay, it means you aim for like return, potential returns. Okay, everything I talk about it is true one. When we talk about the meow token flying 600% is true. Type yes, you can record down and replay later. Type yes if you heard what I say. When I talk about the TKX vault, $12 is true one. Okay, $12 is true. Right now, TKX is worth I think like 40 over dollars. Okay. When we say those people who make 3.5 million from 30,000 make 3.1 is true one. Type yes if you understand. Okay, when we say people who make 300,000, the Glenn testimony is true one. By the way, we have a lot more. If you go to here, you go to graduate group, you go and look for, you go to Facebook group. You can see the more recent one. Okay, the more recent testimony. A lot of them make 6-figure one. Okay, a lot of them, the more recent one, make 6-figure one. Okay, so we got a few more names. We have Gerald Ang. Chia Ping Bu, LC Wei, Michael Ong, Jonathan Kong, Clinton Layden, Philip Tan, Stanley Ng, and Jia Ying Chua Jia Ying. These are the people who have made payment. Okay. Where is that? This one. Last year. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank Colin for his free weekly webinar. This gives me a macro perspective for the market, especially mentioned about China and Hong Kong market. This is my trading result year to date. Can you see the estimated P&L? 320,000. Type yes if you see this. Nasdaq return 24%. This one returned 276%. Type yes if you see this. Okay. Some of this is like a lot. Okay. This one is like 101% since account opening P&L. Okay. This one, plan again. Oh. Then again. Okay. So this was mid of the year returns. Mid of the year, his returns was my victory again, S&P 500 and Nasdaq has grown wider. And these are the results. Okay. Okay, guys. I will skip the rest. Let me just see whether got any morning. We have Daniel Low. Okay. Is it true that we need to submit income statement? Not true. Okay. Not necessary. Okay. If you got problem, let me know. Okay. Cheryl, go. Okay. Is everything free for life? Okay. Good question. This is not everything free for life. Let me just clarify this part. By the way, for those people who are still making payment, please go and scan the code. Click the smtclass.com to sign up right now. Okay. Now let me clarify. The Traders GPS, the software is not free for life. Okay, it's not free for life. It's only free for 6 months. After 6 months, if you find that the GPS works for you, you want to continue to use the GPS, there is a subscription for it. It's $888 per year, about $70 per month. It is optional. It's not a must to use the GPS. Okay, it's optional. If you find that it saves you time, you can subscribe for the GPS. Okay. Why is there a payment for this? Because the GPS require data subscription from the different exchanges to feed the data for the GPS to work. There is a cost for the data. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so it cannot be free for life. Second thing, when you subscribe for the Traders GPS for 1 year, you get the premium members area free for 1 year also. So all the master classes, everything will also be free for 1 year. So the premium members area also is for 6 months only. Okay, only for 6 months. So these are the two things that are not free for life. Got it? Okay, right now there is a spouse rate. Okay, the first person is 3288, the second person is 1988. So your spouse want to come, you can join at 1988. Okay, so go to this link. Okay, go to this link, smtclass.com to sign up. Let me just clarify one more time. Make sure we are all on the same page. This is lifetime. The 4 days class is lifetime. The secret Facebook group is lifetime. The weekly handholding is lifetime. Okay, this is not lifetime. This Trader GPS, 6 months free. This 6 months free. After 6 months, for 1 year, is 888 for 1 year. This is optional. Even if you don't subscribe for it, you still get all the lifetime free for life. Okay, but this one for 1 year is 8888. Okay, and once you subscribe for this for 1 year, you get this one also 1 year free. Okay, type fair if it's fair. All the weekly hand holding is done by me. Very cham. Okay, guys, so far every single one of the webinar is only done by me. Type yes if you heard what I say. Okay, all done by me. So far, I haven't outsourced. Okay, in the future, I may outsource. But now, all the weekly webinar is done by me. Okay. Any other question? We got a few more names. We got Ang Kwa Min, and then we have Ngai Kiet, Nai In Kiet, Ken Lim. We have a Gerard, Gerard. And then we have Jun Ngo, Pei Ching Lee, and Andrew Kwek. Okay, Andrew Kwek. I am using to pay the whole amount at the speed. Then I have to what? Yes, correct. No need. Jace Jensen, just make the $300 deposit first. Okay, for the rest of the thing, my team will follow up with you. Okay, my team will follow up with you. Okay, just make a $300 deposit first. My team will follow up with you. The 3 days course, is it all done by Colin? No. There will be one part on Friday not done by me. Okay. Cheryl Go, what is your question? I don't know what is your question. Weekly handholding all done by me. Okay. Which platform do you use? Is platform agnostic. You can use any platform, does not matter. Okay. I'm a foreigner with S-Pass. Can I start investing? Yes, you can. I cannot attend Saturday. Who to ask? All the recording is all the training is recorded already, so you can attend. You can watch the recording. Okay, guys. Okay, so guys, go and click on this link smtclass.com and sign up using this QR code. Okay, sign up using this QR code. Can I make payment after 26th of January when I receive my salary? Can. All this, right, guys, go and contact the team. Can go and contact the team. Okay. Does GPS work on laptop? Yes, and iPad, yes. But during the class, bring your laptop. Don't use iPad to attend your class. Okay. Can we short stop? Yes, we will be teaching how to short. Okay, we will be teaching how to short also. Spouse rate, guys, is 3688 for first person. Second person is 1988. Okay. Not 3288, 3688 for first person. Second person is 1988. How to contact your team? Team, can you just say how? Okay. What's the contact number? Use email. Don't have contact number. Email. Okay. How to contact your team? Contact@tradergps.com. Okay, guys. One or two more names. We have Seow Kim Han, Ang Ko Min, Daniel Low, Jia Ying Chua, Stanley Ng, Philip Tan. Hey guys, anyone pick payment not call your name? Is all the course going to be recorded? Yes, all the course will be recorded on recording. You can watch, you can listen or watch the 3-day recording. Okay, guys, if not, is it complicated as never used before? Guys, this is designed for newbies. Do you all follow what I'm saying? This is designed for newbies. Also take advantage of the money back guarantee. Okay. All this we will teach you how to onboard. When will Trader GPS start? The Trader GPS will start 2 or 3 days before the class start. How to sell? Call who? Guys, all the platform, everything, we will teach you in the class. How to use the trading platform, we will teach you in the class. Okay. Do you recommend this to someone who have trading background? Yes. Because not only you join the course, you become part of the community. Got it? Okay, like the milk token, some of them is not in certain training. Okay. Okay, guys. If not, then let's call it a day. I want to appreciate everyone who are here today. Maybe I just leave you with this, guys. Do you all know that working 9 to 5 is an invention? Type yes if you heard this before. Many years ago, people don't work 9 to 5 one. When they are farmer, they are shoemaker, they are doing other things, they are not working 9 to 5. Only when the industrial revolution, when people start to work in factory, then people learn this thing called working from 9 to 5. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Because since then, the rich and poor gap has split up. The rich get very much richer, the poor get even poorer. Type yes if you understand. It's the rise of what we call the rich and the poor, the gap split. Oh, that's why people have this idea, I must go to work. Okay, but it is an invention that the rich people design one. So the key, right, through investing, through capitalism, by being your own boss, you can snap up and choose not to work. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, but the school system, the whole programming is to tell you that working from 9 to 5 is normal. It is not normal. Like, yes, if you heard what I say, it is not normal that everyone must work 9 to 5 to survive. Not normal. Okay, but because there was this thing about factory, they teach you how to set factory, make office, do financial market. That's why everyone become entrapped already. So entrapped, they think it's normal. Actually, it's not normal. Okay, and financial market, you can use it for good and you can use it for evil. Yes or no? Okay. So what I'm saying is the financial market, you can now own a share of a business. And then eventually you invest enough of your stock time in the business, then you don't need to work for money already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay. Type yes if you understand. I'm going to do day 1 and day 3. Day 2, some of the training I will not be doing. Okay, not that I don't want to do okay, but I'll take a break because every week I do webinar. Okay. Okay, guys. If not, then let's call it a day. I wish you all the best in your life journey. For those that are still thinking about it, just understand that this is an investment. Okay, it's not a guarantee, but it's a chance for you to get out of this whole 9 to 5 work. It's a chance for you to use financial market to your advantage. Okay, there's a chance for you that I think what's the name of the guy? Faven or something like that. This person, he has like 30,000 only. And now he has like 3.5 million. You think his life changed or not? Type yes if you think his life changed. Life changed. Okay, young guy. Okay, their life is changed. Okay. Okay, guys, I think I will leave you all with that. What I want to share with you all is lastly is if you continue to do the thing you want to do and expect different result, it will never happen. Do you all follow what I'm saying? If you keep doing the same thing, it will be the same result. Okay? You must really do different things to get different results. Do you all follow what I'm saying? My niece recommend me to the course, any discount? Yes. Okay, if you're someone recommend you to the course, ask your niece to put in your name referral. She get discount, she get some perks also. Got it? So ask your niece to put your name in the referral list. Okay. Okay, guys. If not, then let's call it a day. I think a few more names. We got Andy Wee, IVG, Wee Tan, Seow Kim Han, I read out all the name again. Ang Kian Min, Daniel Ho, Jia Ying Chua, Stanley Ng, Philip Tan. Some of them may not be all going to February class. Later we'll see who go February and who not go February. I'm reading from bottom to top. Philip Tan, Clinton, Landon, Jonathan Kong, Michael Ong, LC Wei, Chia Pin Bu, Gerald Ang, Andrew Quek, Peng Pei Kui, Pei Ching Lee, Jun Ong, Gerard Cargus, Ken Lee, Ng Kiet Yet, Velda, Chu, Leah, Andreas, Murphy, Jenny Low, Charles Ng, Jimmy Pei, Serena Gan, Ko Pei Sing, Chi Han Shi. Okay. 3688 is inclusive of the $300. Inclusive. That means is everything is 3688. Okay. It's total 4 days. Okay. 3 days of training and 1 day of live trading. So total 4 days. Okay. Got it? Okay. The 4th day, the live trading, we don't have the date yet. Okay. Later I'll let you know the date. Okay. Do you mean my niece sign you up or I sign up now myself? I think better let your niece sign you. Okay, never mind. You can sign up first. You can sign up first and then let your niece fill up the referral form. Put your name in the referral form. Or then you she'll get $300 $300 as a referral fee. You get a discount also. Okay? Can? Okay, guys, let's call it a day. Anything else you need me to talk about? Don't have time. Good. If I can leave. Okay, I wish you all the best in your journey of life. Hopefully, some of you all can one day 有花不完的钱 Okay, I think that is the objective for everyone. Yes or no? Okay, we will 花不完的钱, don't need to worry about money. That is the best. Okay, if not then thank you very much, guys. Have a good night. See you all. And when you become wealthy, also learn how to distribute your wealth. Okay, that's when you have the highest happiness versus money ratio, really. Okay, money is not the hot one. Money is take already, see how to help those around you. Okay, if not then thank you very much, guys. Bye. Good night.